I'm making gluten-free cheese biscuits, and I just wanted to show you these because they're really easy to make. They're fast. I just have a mixing bowl. I don't have to get the blender out or anything like that. And they're very filling because it's 100% almond flour. And so this recipe is almond flour, baking powder, salt in the dry mix, and then you put in a couple eggs, some butter, interesting, a little teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and honey in here. And so I'm just going to mix this in. And again, I'll give you guys a recipe once this posts. And I'm just going to mix it in here. This is going to turn into a little bit of a dough, like a little dough. And then you just plop it on a parchment-lined cookie sheet. It goes at 350. They take about 10 to 12 minutes. And they are yummy. So right at the end, I'm throwing in a half a cup of cheddar cheese. And that's your cheese right at the end. And so it mixes right in, and you can see the consistency is like a biscuit consistency. So, it takes me about 10 minutes to throw this together and about 10 minutes to cook. And then that's it.
And if you want more tips like this, make sure and follow me on Divine Farmer Health.